Okay, so sorry, I ended the video. The video I ended so quickly. I was a little short-sighted of what I want to see, so I just got it short. So this particular scene was oh my god, was displayed by Chidera. You know Dera Nara, that small girl. So when I was scrolling to Instagram, I saw this particular scene. I was like, ew, this thing is so amazing. And the way the director was telling me to put emotions and pain, and she was doing that, I was like, guy, people are really talented. Why don't I give it a try? So I tried to give it a shot, and I feel like it's really something that pierced my heart. Although it's not happened real, but I can still feel the pain somehow, like the emotions. I put myself in the shoe. If I should be the person that is suffering that pain, how might it be? Like, how is it going to be? So thank you for watching that short monologue that I borrowed. Thank you. I'm still your favorite girl, the script writer, Heart of Creation. Thank you.